Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to the channel. So it's been approximately a year since my husband and I we moved into our new home. Christmas of 2021, this is how our pool bathroom looked. We immediately knew we wanted to update it, so we brought in a contractor team who did the demolition work and installed all of the new cabinetry, faucet, all of those things, and this is what we turned it into. We're just delighted for this Christmas that our pool bathroom has been updated and upgraded to a more modern look. First and foremost, let me thank all who subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate your support in continuing to watch, like, and share my videos. If you are not a subscriber, please take this opportunity to hit the subscribe button right now if you like the content that you see. Also, check your notification bell and do click it twice so you too will be notified of all future video uploads from me. What I'm going to do now is continue to pan the camera so that you can see not only the beautiful upgrades that we have put into this bathroom, but you'll also be able to see my Christmas decor pool bath refresh. Please enjoy the video.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in